Kumshibanta ban penslur ya ki Samla ki bla lebha la kadai ha puli puthi ha ki jingya kop ile kai lani ha ki no ki sap ki bakidan bakin nang ya chakman ka Rotary Club Shillong Heritage ha ki jingya trai lang bat ki senjok seng Samla Shillong City ha ka khat atai uno pra araja arpulai kala Pynkup Burom ya arpulai Ngut ki Samla ki bla wan chakman hala ki jong ki banta ki bakidan ya kani kijing Pynkup Burom kabla tip ko makasara Great Award lapan lang ha Pinewood Hotel Shillong ha kijing dan lang official Amar Nani President ka Rotary Club Shillong Heritage ki noi lang ko senjok ki seng Samla Shillong City nalor ki wei official Amar Nani bat kum joru Jabir Singh gilaong ba kijing tmu jong kani kijing Pynkup Burom ya kini ki Samla ka long ban aiman semeki bat bakin nang kiu saprang ha ki kam bakile bat bakan long ru kum kanuk sa ban aiman sem shaki wei pat ki para Samla.
As one of our members, Rotarian Kunal,
yes. Come this side. Yes.
Her tremendous ability and contribution. Despite being specially abled,
how important today is, your now is to work hard, play hard, don't be bound by rule, don't hurt anybody, never grow up, and never ever live somebody else's dream. Remember how many times you go wrong, no matter how many times you fail. Despair feel like this world is against you. At the end, everything is going to be alright. God bless you all.
We are a very new club, a Rotary Club of Shillong Heritage. There are 4 Rotary clubs in Shillong. Our club, Rotary Club of Shillong Heritage, is a relatively new club, and we've made all the possible efforts to actually engage all sections of society, be it young, be it very, very young kids in interact clubs, and then old people as well. So we want to touch all possible sections of community. And this, as President Shah mentioned, this is part of our youth and new generation initiative. What is important out here is that we've been able to go into the sections which already have been organized within the small localities. So we've been able to go into the localities. People who are being appreciated within their families and local localities have been now identified and have been felicitated. As President said, most of these people have been doing well at state level, national level, in sport, in academics, in some sort of talent such as painting and all. And we're very, very happy to actually be able to connect with them and also make them aware that we appreciate them as much as the society appreciates them. Actually, we do every month we do something of this sort. So, for example, we, as President mentioned in the in his speech, we've been doing programs with Civil Hospital where we actually just went on Independence Day, and we wanted to actually touch the ward boys and people who have not been actually recognized, and we were able to actually do a project around 300 people. We were able to actually get involved on that particular day. And then on Doctors' Day, like 1st July, we were able to felicitate 25 doctors in Super Care Hospital, but not the senior doctors, but then those upcoming junior doctors, because they are the ones who actually work harder, night shifts, graveyard shifts and everything.
we had awardees. We had a disabled girl who's written a book called Atiar of Love, and she's heading a disabled society for the past 5 years. So we wanted to do something for the youth and new generation. So we had a meeting with this Senjoki Seng Samla. Then we decided to have this small program where we could felicitate and award them.
If you think about it, the biggest worry a person can have is public humiliation, right? And the opposite of it is public recognition, right? And this is public recognition, recognized by own people. It makes you feel very, very good, and it drives you to do better.
So our basic idea is to motivate the youth, the new generation, to whatever field they are interested in. and whatever they feel happy with, and whatever they feel, wherever their talent is, they should pursue that. And maybe this kind of award will try and motivate the others to follow and to go behind their dreams, maybe in a small way also, but and recognition is an recognition, be it a big or a small recognition. So I think we also feel it's a proud moment for our club, as well as we thank the Senjuk Keseng Samla Shillong City, who have collaborated with us, and really we have absolutely done a very good program today.